Today will be 8th of March. Then celebrates the 40th International Women's Day for Obodo the world. And the topic now be make 'em happen. Make 'em happen for that person who need help. Make 'em happen for your family. Make 'em happen for your neighbor. And make 'em happen for those people who no fit get within them want. According to United Nations, then talks now for 8th of March 1975. Now then start to celebrate this one because without women, no nation go fit stand. This one I make say women self they need to celebrate them. We get some people where we want to celebrate for Talk today on top of the International Women's Day. Number 1, we get Stella Adedovon. We get second, Abike Dabiri. We get Omotola Jolade Ikende. We get Mo Abdu. We also get Chimamanda Adichie. We no go also forget the market women. We no go forget the women where they farm. We no go forget those nurses where they hospital where they make sure say that they attend to us when we come with our wahala. And also, we no go forget the regular mothers who they for house. When they do anything, we still celebrate them because now with them, now make our environment stay peaceful and also make our society be as it be today. We they celebrate you, we be woman for there on top of Talk because all we for here, we be women. We say thank you, say you make them happen for we country. Yes, so now you will celebrate. They celebrate Amaka. I also they celebrate Betty. They celebrate myself. And AKA Handy wife.
They celebrate your wife.
Yes, and I in fact I celebrate. I don't go like this one for real. I celebrate all the women for Talk and also wonderful.
Yeah.
We sing.
You see your life.
I celebrate.
And you say you celebrate us.
Yes, I celebrate. Not be only the women for Talk. I celebrate all the women for WeTV group.
Next.
Because really,
before Bernard turns on to acceptance.
Una be wonderful women. Una be wonderful women.
All right, so my people, we then move on to number 3, and I tell you now, Obodo, Oyibo there now we wakago. What's in happen? We bring this one because of Bobby Christina, Whitney Houston daughter, we be Bobby Christina.
Yeah, Bobby Christina.
We be in day on top of coma.
She still did life support now.
Yeah, she still did life support now. But what's in they happen? They say they don't come. Her father's sister, what they call Lolabi. Latoya Bila waiting behind name because their names they confuse me. Okay, that one don't come out. She don't go on top of Facebook. They talk so many things. She talks say, I respect all of now where they call Nick Gordon come for interview. I respect it too now they do. But waiting be say we get serious evidence. That's concrete evidence. Yes. Talk say the family gets concrete evidence. Talk say actually in get hand on top of him. Except he clear in name with police them before they go give him chance for him to come outside to call. If not so, deserve to get that platform to fit talk to people, to explain himself. But on top of Talk, I just feel say, una see the approach where she carry come because you know must not go Facebook because the Bobby family is a big family. You don't need to go on top of Facebook to go talk. And when I feel say the approach they okay.
You be big person and you feel say Facebook that the appropriate way to take air your mind is a no way idea.
Okay.
Because yes, everybody get their means. If this guy, if the person with the interview, Dr. Phil,
Dr. Phil now called for the
interview, right? He called for the interview. I know anything where they wrong. Everybody needs to hear the different sides of the story. You can't just accuse person and talk say because you don't believe say the person na do am, na kill, na put your niece be for bed where she did. So okay, make the person self give your own explanation. Now Facebook you can't see Facebook as big as you call yourself. Now Facebook you realize say you go use Facebook. What happen to media? Real me, not social media now. Call media house, press, e.g. the Dr. Phil. Why you no go meet Dr. Phil first? Tell Dr. Phil say, see this guy, naim put my sister for this situation. Even the mama, let's say naim do CPR for the girl mama when the girl mama come
yes.
Naim still do CPR again
before I call doctor.
Naim still do CPR again for waiting behind for the
Christina
again. So waiting we they talk. How in one take they do this damage? Make we self here in own view or your part of the story. I feel say she does the very
emotional.
Emotional, so she put everything like that. She no think before she jump into situation.
Well, very true. I support Amaka. Even though the different things they happen, she at that moment has to be so. Of course, we don't already a good matter of life and death. So this thing go dey pain her for body. Anybody where they relate, excuse me, where they related to this girl, this thing go dey pepper her for body.
Yeah.
And they go believe, say, most of the times, they go definitely believe, say, the guy gets hand for the issue. And in fact, even if no be the guy, anybody where they feel, say, get hand for the matter, they go dey feel one kind. If they go want express, they go want show, say, if they pain us, say, now you did there, say, now you will believe, say, they there, even if no be him, they there. You know, but truly, Amaka talk, Facebook no be the right way, although talk Facebook don't come out. Now the right way to reach talk. But on top this matter, Facebook no be the right way. I don't get issue with somebody before. Maybe say the person invest me where me say I just go Facebook, go through him. The thing wey can happen be say, honestly, as at that time, I not been the reason what I do because I dey vex. So the thing wey can happen be say, as I go Facebook, go put that in, it can't spread past as I want to control. So tell me where they vex before, now me can't beg the guy. Say I beg, no vex. So truly, as our people they talk for our village, they say if king don't dey vex, make you no take decision on top that decision.
Yes.
You go wait, make you calm down first, make the water cool before you pour on for body. Make you no take water, take bath as the hot from fire. So Facebook not be the right way which for go. Like Amaka talk, therefore call press, call media, go meet Dr. Phil when they follow talk now. Meet other people when they follow them talk. Make them for settle the matter as it's supposed to be. And of course, if for good they say call and get two face. If for good, make them hear the guy own side before they begin to jump and go everywhere.
Well, for me, yes, what she do, say she put them on top Facebook, not be the right channel. But I tell you, when you they grieve, any channel not the right channel. Because you not gonna know as you want to express yourself. The only thing they say, you just want to express yourself. You just want to make the world hear, whether not through the right source or not be through the right source. And then Amaka, they talk something about Nick, say that Nick give the mama
do CPR for the
I don't see criminals where they say they don't do the crime where they want to do, and then they go, they do things to put themselves in the right light. I don't see people where they say then they do good all their life, and all of a sudden they go commit crime.
Just
say in do that act, no mean say in the innocent of whatever they
or they guilty.
No, I don't say they innocent.
Or say in the guilty. So yes, the grief of the auntie still there in place. I feel say everybody get the right to grieve, and we all know if we grieve the same way as people go expect them. The way where I go grieve go different from the way where QueenB go grieve if it happen. So yes, you know they're right, but she don't do them, so make them move ahead.
All right, but me, my own be say, where Lola, where she did, the Bobby's family, where then they where Christina start to take drugs.
They take drugs.
When the mother died, this girl, they actually lonely. Now it make her leave herself, come go marry the adopted brother, where her mother adopts. That time where they born her. The mother adopts one boy. Now in day with them. She can't go marry her brother. They no dey there, nothing, nobody did there for the girl. Nobody to put her right. Because she don't come reach the age where they no come fit talk to her. If they don't involve themselves for the girl life before she reach that age, 18 and so on, when she can become adult of her own. You to say they're involved. They go fit get how they will take trace the girl's step. Now nobody did there. All of a sudden the father does decide to dey inside the picture. Even self, according to what we hear from TM, they talk saying now 2-3 times the father, and that's when the girl, since the day when the girl don't open eye, they never see him for there. So you don't need to go Facebook. If you are not saying now they look for, I don't need to go Facebook. More gonna focus on the girl. Anything where anybody do, if the guy likes, if make it go media, go talk rubbish. Una go focus on the girl. Make I tell you that to me, I feel say the Bobby family they look for attention, and they now the girl inheritance 9 and day after. Because if not be so, you know, if you dey busy to person where dey for life support, you don't get time to go Facebook, go the side
at all.
Now what me they talk with that, you know, you go too busy to hear what's saying or who they invite the guy and make it come talk in own part. So now this one a lesson for us when we actually dey vex or waiting. We could learn how to handle them, but for Bobby, Christina, we wish her safe and speed recovery. We just pray make this girl no go pass like that. We no pray make the girl go like that. All right, today move to our number 4 story of the day. That means say we don't come to hand, but we still get plenty things. Never fear. All right, so our number 4 story where they come today now about Susan Peter and her fans. We don't disagree to the people where win award. And the ones we know win, and the ones we know win. Why? She come outside, she talks saying, dress is where people wear, sorry. Because I see one horrible dress where 3 people wear. Actually, the vex. As I dey so bad, go on coming.
Now she's in at least Susan Peter's own.
No.
These are fans go the attack. Because her own, it was, I believe,
I want to fly. No, not like I want to fly.
Okay, I believe
I want to fly. Because I actually see so many dressings. So many dresses. I don't understand because they thought say, what do they call the Grammys? Are be waiting? Oscars now dramatic clothes. People they take go there. But when you won't do dramatic, I expect make I see African prints for that carpet. If you actually they sell African, you understand? Because when they talk about African magic, okay. You understand? They talk about everything African. Okay. I expect to see print on top of that red carpet. Like, you go see print, so say you go market today will be Monday. You go to hustle, say, I beg, that Ankara. In short, snap the picture. Snap the picture and show to people. Say, okay, see what thing are they look for. But, so what do you not think? You
know, so when they talk about these African prints and things. Oh my Lord, QueenB, be careful. No, because the way they talk African print, sometimes you go to see, you be like somebody they tap as you want to see your masquerade on top red carpet. I mean, you want to see at the logo or Egedegbe. You need to be very careful.
I don't call the masquerade.
You want to see a good wonder on top red carpet. You need to be careful because all these kind of things. Well, Nigerians, we still get a lot to learn. Yes, people seriously. Still get a lot to learn, and at the same time, people taste of fashion and what you call African, they're different. Very. Person go say, okay, I want actually dress as a cultural dancer, and to them now the African thing will come their mind. While maybe person like Genevieve go say, okay, that's Ankara, I want really use them so one fine dinner gown and things like that. So people thinking they're different. What's the name of that girl? Belinda Effa. We do what's the name of that flyover? Lagos na Lagos
na flyover.
That's Kiko.
She do Kiko way. Be say it stand. People, a lot of people say, what is she they wear? While some people say, oh wow, different. She actually they African. Oh, I love her. And she wear Ankara. We know if it please everybody, babe.
Not true. I know go lie you. You see. Sorry, make I enter there. Really, we know if it please everybody. Now African awards, then call them. Okay. So truly, means we get one stage we have in the expect say. Now, real African thing that they show because why they talking? I see Alibaba. I see where we are in wear complete with robot attire, the cap, the wrapper, the job, everything. You know, some people still complain.
Of course.
Some people still complain. When I see the people complain, I be like, make I carry this IO thing, they knock them for head. They say African award, now they complain. If I wear flying suits, go there. I be what you say make it for wear. You know, some they call them flying suits. I be making for wear shirt and boxer. You know I say now you go school pass, they correct me. No man there. But like see this one, I believe I can fly. This is I believe I want to fly. Sure, say this babe know they fly true. See as
when I know say the red carpet actually the red carpet where they for the interview people. According to the GSO here, they say the place they hot. So imagine when you wear this kind of thing, all your makeup inside, you don't swear, you pray, oh my God, make I enter inside this hall. And as Nigeria, if they go take lights inside that place, or you know, they might come wash or anything.
But you know, really, I must tell Nigerians, say, see, maybe they creative, what they wear. If they watch all them Grammys, them Oscar, all those awards they do for outside Nigeria, person go wear long gown. All of them are the same thing that they wear. Person wear long gown, person wear suit. And who are you wearing? I'm wearing Louis Vuitton. I'm wearing this man.
Just up now, I cut you for them. Yes. I am wearing Louis Vuitton. Must I wear something? I don't feel wear my own design.
Thank you. Now make all
right, my people, before I continue the award matter on top of here, we come back, we could take small shaking break. So when we come back, our guests will join us. And also we get Cocoa of the Day and we get our motivational quotes. Where they come.